what happened to the cryptocurrency market, and is it likely to go lower? Yeah. So what's happening with cryptos now is the perfect storm, okay? Like that old George Clooney movie with the waves. The perfect storm is, on the one hand, energy prices are up materially because of Russia. And cryptocurrency miners like to mine, and they mine more if energy prices are lower. So there's not much of an incentive to mine cryptocurrencies right now in many parts of the world. Number two, interest rates are rising. And whenever interest rates rise, then lower quality or riskier asset classes get hit quite hard. And so if you go back to the early 1980s, when interest rates were close to 20%, nobody bought stocks. Nobody invested in venture capital, hardly anybody. Hardly anybody bought property. They just put their money in the bank or bought government bonds because that was basically risk-free. And so it's kind of like that today. Because rates are going up, people are investing more money in bonds, right? It's risk-free, as I showed you earlier. You can make 9.62% guaranteed if you live in the United States and you buy treasury bonds, okay, savings bonds. So if I tell you you're guaranteed to make 10%, guaranteed, with no risk, you're probably going to buy fewer risky assets like cryptocurrencies. And to make matters worse, a third negative reason third reason why crypto is getting hit hard is you have some cryptocurrency trading companies that are putting up gates and they're not letting you take your money out, okay? And people think, oh my God, that's not fair, it's against the law. Well, what happens is when you sign up to use these cryptocurrency platforms or when you invest in certain large hedge funds, you click I agree to everything where you sign the paperwork, the subscription documents for hedge fund. And written in those contracts is stipulation that they can stop you from taking money out if volatility is too extreme. Also, Coinbase, ticker COIN, what they did was they just announced they're letting go 1,100 people, which is 18% of their workforce. And they just went public a year and a half ago. And if anybody's interested in learning more about Coinbase and their convertible debt offering, what you can do is you type Coinbase here, okay, on my website, harounmba.com, and then you click here and you can watch this video here on Coinbase's let me pause that, $1.2 billion convertible debt issuance. I published this a year ago, and basically I was talking about how Coinbase was raising a ton of money and they just went public. Well, you want to raise as much money as you can when you can. And I talk about what a convertible debt is right here. To learn more about convertible debts, you can watch that video there.